my YouTube channel. For those who are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Today is the day that answering the most common question, which is describe yourself or tell me something about yourself, will not be as hard as it is anymore. Yes, this question is commonly asked, and the hardest part is how to begin your answer or how to make your sentences long. What should you add? I want you to imagine hearing the question, describe yourself, tell me something about yourself. How would you reply? I know you have so many answers in your mind, but the problem is, how should you organize your answer? Yes, organizing is very important in English and in speaking to make you speak or say the sentences smoothly. Today, we will answer this with ease and accuracy. So if you need some pen, pencils, or paper for you to take down notes, please get it. Are you guys ready? Let's start. First, we will start with who. I'm plus name. I'm Pretzel. Second is nickname. You can call me Pratt, or my friends call me Pratt. Third is where. I'm from plus country plus town, city, prefecture, etc. I'm from the Philippines, particularly in Cebu City, which is known to be the Queen City of the South. So here in my answer, I give a little additional information about my hometown. Next, you can also have I was raised in plus place, I grew up in plus place, or I spent my childhood in plus place. Example, I spent my childhood in Moalboal and moved to Manila a few years ago. Or I spent my childhood in Kyoto and moved to the USA a year ago or 10 years ago, etc. Next, we will talk about opinion, interest, and hobbies. During my free time, I like watching movies, reading books, playing sports. Or you could also be specific, like I'm really into tennis because it's one way for me to relieve my stress, or it's also my way to exercise. Another one is I'm into cooking because I enjoy eating delicious foods, etc. Next, we will talk about your job or education. So you can say, I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer, or I'm a student. Or you could say, currently I'm in my master's degree, or I'm taking nursing, or I'm taking business management for students. Next is you could talk about it more or further details, like I chose to be a teacher because I believe I can shape the future of my students. I learn from my students and my students learn from me. Or for students, they could also say, I wanted to be an engineer because for me, building buildings constructing houses, etc., is very challenging. Another one is I'm a businessman and I love my job because being a businessman, this is a time wherein you could travel abroad. It gives you opportunity to meet different kinds of people, get to know about the economy and what's happening all over the world. I find it so challenging. Okay, guys, so those are my tips for you to organize and how to answer the question, which is describe yourself or tell me something about yourself. So the next time around when you are asked this question, it will be so easy for you, as easy as 1, 2, 3 or ABC. I hope you learned so much for today and thank you so much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye to you all. Thank you for the support. Bye bye.